So we got this little 40 horse that we had to do the fuel pump in because the old fuel was varnished and just destroyed the fuel pump and the little grommet. We had to pull it apart. So we're getting her back together, zip tying some stuff up. Got the injectors pulled off. We're going to clean those. We're going to put the manifold back on now, get that all straightened out, and then we'll clean these injectors. So stay tuned. I'll show you how we clean the injectors with our injector. So we got it all back together. Got the injectors in. We pulled those, cleaned those. Let's see. Got her primed up. Oh, look at that. First turn. We did full service on it. Pissing good. Laid her down with CRC or corrosion block we use. Good stuff. Protection and lubricant. Good. Give it a little gas. Yeah.